Hi, we're going to start today with just a few database basics. So this Catham demo file is a doctor's office database. I've used this before, so some of you may find it familiar. There are, in a relational database, it's a collection of related tables. We have three tables in this database: the patient table, the visit table, and the billing table. I'm going to open the patient table right quick so we can talk about it. Each record, which is a row, and each field, which is a column, are represented in the database. If we want to edit the field properties, we can change this datasheet view to design view, and we can see the field names and their data types. And for instance, this patient ID, we can also change the field size to 5 here, and we can also designate it as the primary key. Remember, the primary key is the unique identifier for each record in the database. So each table must have a primary key. We can look at the relationships between those tables in this relationship tools design view. The patient ID is inserted as a foreign key into the visit table. In the visit table, the patient ID is known as the foreign key. In the patient table, it's known as the primary key. When the primary key is inserted as a foreign key, it creates a relationship. That is shown with this line. It is a one-to-many relationship, which means there can only be one occurrence of a single patient ID and patient table because it's a unique identifier here. But that same patient may have multiple visits, so it can occur many times in the visit table. When we designate a field as the primary key, like patient ID or visit ID, Access automatically enforces the fact that they must be unique and they can never be null. However, there's another integrity rule called entity integrity that we must turn on when we create this relationship, and we see it here: enforce referential integrity. And that simply means that we can't have a patient ID in the visit table that doesn't exist in the patient table already. So the official language of the enforced referential integrity rule is that there can be no unmatched foreign keys. It means there can't be one over here in the visit table that doesn't exist in the patient table.